So hello, namaste and lasso fabula everyone from Manaslu circuit. And yes, this is our first day of hiking. So hiking to Jagat right now. And so we started from Machakhola 800 meters. And now we are very close to Jagat. And we are here at Yarufat for lunch. Yeah, crazy day. Yeah, we just on the way we just dip inside the hot spring, passes through the beautiful waterfalls, and now yeah, just enjoying the view and like waiting for our lunch. Crazy day. And as it is 14 Feb, so happy Valentine everyone. And yeah, this is my Valentine. How is your Valentine going on? Please comment down.